Here's some tulips. Hyacinths. I just want to compare how they look like. These are little cute ones. These are allium or allium bulbs. Not sure how you say them. So it's gonna be my first time planting this, and I'm quite excited. And these are daffodils. The daffodils looks very much like onions, and the alliums look like garlic. And speaking of which, I have some garlic right here that I'm also going to try and plant for the first time. I'm thinking I'm going to put one of each in one spot, or maybe two, and just to see how they grow in the springtime. The tulips are called late ones, so they're gonna be growing all the way to late summer or late spring. So just put them back together. Make sure we don't get confused as to what is what, because you know, newbies can forget. So there's planting instructions right here, and they're not very hard to follow, I think. It says plant these bulbs in the fall. If you cannot plant your bulbs right away, store them in a cool, dry, dark location like a basement. I stored them in the garage. Plant them with the pointy end up in a sunny or semi-shaded area, about 10 to 15 centimeters, so 4 to 6 inches deep. So these are 4 to 6 inches deep. And the narcissus, I planted some already last time, and they were only 4 inches deep. I think actually they need to be planted a little deeper, 6 inches minimum. So the ones that I planted earlier in my daffodils and 3 seasons video, I'll have to mulch that one, and I have some wood ready to do the mulching. So we have a lot of things to plant. 50 pieces of double latte, and they're beautiful, so hopefully they would grow. Let's get planting.